Welcome to my Singapore adventure. Today, I'm stepping foot on the captivating Helix Bridge, where architectural ingenuity meets natural beauty. Join me on this fascinating experience.
Let's go back.
So, guys, I hope you're all doing well. At this beautiful place in Singapore. It is my first time here, and I am actually loving it. From what I've read, it's called Helix. I'm excited to be showing you around, so check that out. Very beautiful, right? So right now, let me give you a virtual tour along with me, but first there's something to read right here. Beautiful, right? Did you know that the Helix Bridge boasts a one-of-a-kind double helix design? Inspired by the intricate structure of DNA, it's not just a bridge, it's a symbol of life and progress, perfectly embodying the dynamic spirit of Singapore. I'm actually glad to be able to be showing you around. It's actually very beautiful out here. I urge, if you ever get the opportunity to come by, come visit this area. It's called the Helix. So some of the activities you could come here is sightseeing, jogging. As you can see, people are jogging around. Now this right here reminds me of a place I used to love called the Bend. Oh, I'm imagining what it looks like in the evening when the lights are all on. This is actually built like a stadium. Let's go have a walk. As the sun sets, the Helix Bridge transforms into a mesmerizing spectacle, adorned with a stunning lighting system that highlights its architectural brilliance. It's no wonder that this bridge has become a must-visit spot for tourists and locals alike. 你好。你好。The views here are outstanding. Credit to the engineers, the designers, the architectures, the urban planners, physical planners, and to the people of Singapore who have created such a space and maintained it. Very beautiful. While strolling along the bridge, you'll be treated to breathtaking panoramic views of the Marina Bay, offering a glimpse of the iconic Singapore flyer and the bustling cityscape. It's a photographer's paradise and a sightseer's dream come true. case you're from Singapore or Singaporean, or you've been here and lived here a long time, you probably know a few recommendations. So you could give me some food recommendation, accommodation, or generally places to visit. Beyond its beauty, the bridge incorporates several sustainable features, including a thoughtful design canopy providing shade. The bridge seamlessly combines form and function, ensuring a pleasant experience for all visitors. Alright, I'm gonna be going there soon. Just bear with me. Excuse me? Hello?
Yes.
What's the name of this bridge?
Helix Bridge.
Helix Bridge.
Yeah.
Thank you. So I'm told this is called the Helix Bridge. Very beautiful bridge. Very beautiful. Wow. The views in the evening are outstanding. So this is actually very beautiful. I think I've come here over and over again. It is one of those places I will visit multiple times. And right now I'm standing right on the Helix Bridge right here. And just across over there is a Helix. I'm gonna be touring over there. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video inspires you to come visit Singapore next time, or plan a trip here, or recommend it to a friend to come visit. Very much impressed coming here. Very much impressed. From its innovative design to its breathtaking views, the Helix Bridge is a testament to Singapore's commitment to progress and sustainability. Whether you are a local or a traveler, a stroll across this architectural wonder is an experience you won't want to miss. Thank you for joining me on this unforgettable journey. Alright, I think I'll pause the video a bit. As the city lights illuminate the surroundings, the Helix Bridge itself becomes a luminous spectacle. The intricate double helix structure is adorned with an array of vibrant lights, creating a stunning visual display that reflects on the waters below. The vibrant colors dancing across the bridge's unique architectural design cast a magical ambience, turning the area into a captivating destination for evening strolls and sightseeing. Visitors can witness the breathtaking views of the Marina Bay area, the iconic Singapore Flyer, and the glittering skyline, making the Helix Bridge a must-visit spot for anyone looking to experience the enchanting beauty of Singapore's nightscape. next episode, get ready for an exclusive tour of the shops at the Marina Bay Sands. Follow along as I explore this premier shopping destination, offering a blend of luxury boutiques, designer stores, and a diverse array of dining options. From high-end fashion to exquisite dining experiences, the shops at the Marina Bay Sands is a shopper's paradise that encapsulates the epitome of style and elegance.